I'm Becky. Welcome to Minnesota Waterscapes greenhouse. I'm the horticulturist here, and I was just going to show you a few of the fun plants that we have. We grow natives and we grow tropicals, and here are some examples. This is the native blue lobelia. Right now is its happy time, and it blooms usually late summer into the fall. Hardy, and it'll come back. Here's another plant that's also hardy. This is called Mare's tail. It can be submerged into the water up to about here, and it will grow and send out runners and make a lovely patch. I use this one for a substitute for the invasive parrot feather. I also really like using creeping jenny around ponds because it's tough as nails and it can go in the water or out of the water. It tends to grow roots all over the place if it's touching the water. You can see some of the roots sticking out underneath, and it'll come back and it just brightens up the edge and softens the edges around rocks. This thing poking me in the head is a native plant. Also, this is a bulrush. It's called the dark green bulrush, and it also can come back. It's planted along the edge, perhaps a little bit deeper than blue lobelia, but kind of gives a fun texture and height that a lot of natives don't. In the winter, some of the plants that you can just leave the mare's tail under the water. It'll come back. Same with creeping jenny. It can just be left where it is. This plant, the blue lobelia, is a little bit more tricky. If it's touching the water like this, I would remove it out of your pond and stick it under a pile of leaves in your garden, or cover it somehow to protect it. You don't want the ice to freeze the crown. It has a little hard time with that, especially if it does not have soil. If you had taken it out and just planted it in the rocks, you would want to take the whole plant out and then put it in some dirt. The bulrush in the winter, what you're going to do is take your scissors and cut it so that it's shorter and just trim it up, because these will die and break off in the winter, and it can probably just be left right where it is in the pond.
How short?
I would keep the stems about 4 to 6 inches above the water so that it doesn't rot from the inside out.